Are you looking to boost your career with free Microsoft Azure certification? In this video, we will reveal an exclusive challenge which is called Microsoft Cloud Skill Challenge that gives you access to a complimentary Azure certification voucher valid for a limited time only. So don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to level up your career. So let's get started on what it is and how we can apply for this and what are the benefits that you are going to get at the end of this challenge. Okay. All right, so I am now in my Microsoft official page where they have announced this challenge called the Microsoft Learn Cloud Skills Challenge. So as part of this challenge, there are 8 challenges available. As you can see here, you can choose from whatever the challenge that you want, whichever suits you better. Once you complete the challenge, you will earn a free Microsoft certification exam that can be applied to your choice from the selected list of options. I'll show you what certifications are there for you to take up and you can avail, and when this challenge is going to start. Okay, so if you see here, important reminders: no matter how many Microsoft Learn Cloud Skills challenge you complete, you can only earn one free Microsoft certification voucher, right? So that is an important thing that you need to note. And when are you going to get this offer and all those things? Here they have mentioned in the purple line, your free Microsoft certification voucher will be delivered by June 30th, 2023 and will expire on September 27th, 2023. So you must complete your exam before this date, that is September 27th, 2023. And if you ask me when this challenge is going to start, so the challenge will be starting exactly on May 23rd. Like, I'll open a new tab and show you how it looks. Okay, and there is some official rules which we are going to talk about in a second, so just wait for that. And if you see here, they are recommending you to schedule the exam by September 8th so that you can complete the exam before the offer expires, right? So a lot more people will be competing for this, so you be ready for the schedules smithing out. So schedule it early, plan well ahead, and prepare for the examination. If you see here, these are the 8 challenges that you have: .NET, AI, DevOps, and all those things. I am looking for this DevOps challenge. So if you want to learn along with me, you can also sign up. And if you're interested to learn, like, we can have a separate timing for this allocated, and we can jump on a call and discuss what we learned and all those things. Okay, so I'm also taking up this challenge. If you're interested, you can also enroll, right? So these are some frequently asked questions. Now let's see how we can enroll, right? So let's say I'm interested in this DevOps challenge. I'll just click on go to challenge and I'll open it in a new tab. If you see here, the challenge begins in 12 days, 9 hours and 8 minutes. I mean to say that the recording time right now is 11th May, 10:30 approx. So if you want to just register, you can just click on register now, and it will take you to a agreement page where you can just say that I've read the official rules. If you want to read the official rules, you can just go over here. So this is the official rules. So if you see here, the challenge starts from May 23rd, 4 p.m. UTC, and later on you also read this one. You can only avail one free certification voucher, and it will be mailed to your email address that you enroll in, right? So these are the certifications that you can take up. If you see here, AI 900, AZ 104, and 204, 305, 400, 420, and 400. Right? So if you see here, this exam offer may only redeemed once. If you have more questions, right, I would highly recommend you to go into this page and just read once before applying, right? I'll make sure to drop the link to this in the description box below. Now to just apply for this challenge, you can just tick this box saying that you have read the official rules and click on continue, and you will be asked to if you have not signed in to Microsoft Learn, you will be asked to sign in. If you have already signed in, so it will say that you are already enrolled and you can start exploring the Microsoft Learn challenge. If you see here, these are some of the challenges that I already done before. So after you enter your email address associated with Microsoft, you will get an email saying that you have enrolled into this particular challenge. But the key thing is, the challenge is going to start exactly on May 23rd, 4 p.m. UTC itself, right? Even if you enroll now, you are not going to start the challenge. Okay, so if you ask me how we will get the voucher after completing the challenge, so I have a similar question that I had before. So if you see here, these are my voucher which I had before as a part of Microsoft certified trainer. So I have 75% off, 50% off vouchers. So when you register for an exam, when you are trying to schedule an exam, then the second step would be discounts. So if you have signed in to the email address that you have completed the challenge, then once you are registering for the examination, it will automatically detect that you have 100% voucher and it will apply. So this is a sample one that I'm showing to you. So I was just trying to register for 204 examination. So I had this vouchers before, so it is associated with my email address that I've currently logged in. So it is automatically picking that up, right? So if you have 100% voucher, it is going to take up that, and you can select that one. And if you want, you can just click on apply discount and you can click next. The third step would be to schedule the exam by selecting the date and time, right? So that's all you have to do. So I would highly recommend all of the newbies who are entering to cloud domain to take up this challenge and start learning, because cloud is going to stay forever. I mean, for the next 10 years at least. So, enroll into this, get a free certification and showcase to your, colleagues and friends, right? So that's all I had for this video. If you're liking the content that I'm creating, please consider subscribing and share it among your friends. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.